This is Sai Panendra from SQL School. For 2 decades, we have been into database platform, trainings, projects, and active placements. We assure you complete practical step-by-step classes with 100% hands-on and one-to-one mentorship. Let's understand the details about our AWS Data Engineering course, one of the best cloud platform to upskill yourself, one of the best cloud platform to level up and to get into the actual dreamy CTC for your resume. Let's understand more about this AWS Data Engineering course with real-time project. An 100% practical approach, real-time project oriented and expert level classes dealt by our awesome, kind, down-to-earth trainers who are subject matter experts in the relevant areas. Before we step into the details, let's understand what is database first. Database. Yes, my holy friend. A platform to store any type of data and any amount of data. Fully secured. There are 2 types of databases, OLTP to stand for Live Online Transaction Processing Database, and number 2, Data Warehouse, stands for DWH. AWS Data Engineering is all about number 2 here, Data Warehouse, DWH. Now, who exactly data engineer is? Before we step into AWS Data Engineering course, let's understand who is data engineer actually. Data engineer is a professional. Data engineering is a team who involved in design, build, manage and optimize pipelines. We call data pipelines to bring data from various sources, mash up the data and load it to the required warehouse activities. Now, what is AWS? Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud-based platform used for file storage, data storage, app storage, engineering, data science, analytics, AI, and virtualization activities, and more. AWS is from Amazon company. In our AWS Data Engineering, we are going to use Amazon products to implement ETL and warehouse activities. Now, what are the products? How to become a pro in AWS Data Engineer? How to step into the future market of big data and AI-based cloud analytics? Yes, here it is in our actual course, paired with end-to-end integrations, real-time projects, one-to-one mentorship and more activities. We are going to teach you the cloud concepts first, Linux concepts, then AWS concepts, AWS storage, Kinesis, Glue, Athena, RDS, Redshift, Lambda and lot of other concepts. These are the main highlighted activities beside CI/CD pipelines, Spark and PySpark, cloud computing activities, EC2 instances and lot more concepts required to get into the true mainstream AWS data engineering activities. The AWS Data Engineering Essentials from our training classes are sure to give you the nice platform for project work. The AWS S3 storage and management classes from our course are going to give you a strong basement for the AWS data engineering activities at your job desk. The AWS Glue needed for data integrations and data transformations are sure to help you a lot to add value in your project at your job desk as well as in the resume. Further, the Redshift, AWS Redshift, the data warehouse can make you a true big data specialist. In our training classes, we have a lot of examples, lot of end-to-end scenarios, lot of practical hands-on labs to guide you. With live streaming data, Lambda architecture, step functions, automations, workflows, fault tolerance, pipeline management, data scaling activities, pricing optimizations, performance optimizations, compliance, security, and a lot more. Trust me, this AWS data engineering content that we provide at our SQL school, you may not find elsewhere. Trust me, the training classes are handled by the true, efficient, proficient trainers who are already working for good number of projects all these years. They have double-digit experience. You can clearly sense their command on the subject in the intro class itself. Attend for 1 or 2 live classes. Taste the demo class. Understand their rapport, their courage, their command on the subject. Analyze our content, the quality of the content. And then you can take a call accordingly. I request you once again to join for our live demo class. The notes, the material, the assignments, the resume, the mock interviews will take care. We want you to care about your zero compromise learning process. We care your resume, mock interviews, and if you give us a chance, we can also provide you placement opportunities. Thank you so much and see you there in our actual live demo class. Bye-bye. Thank you. Happy weekend. Thank you so much.